How to teach babies sign language. Here are a few tips for teaching baby sign language to your little one. Number 1. Start at the right time. It is essential to have patience and set the right expectations while teaching a baby sign language. Starting too early might not yield the desired results. If babies are taught a few simple signs at 6 to 7 months of age, they might start using them when they turn 8 to 9 months. Number 2. Sign, but don't forget to speak. Speaking the words aloud while signing them will help the baby associate the words with your signs. Thus, they will learn to sign and learn to speak. Number 3. Start with useful signs. Teach your baby useful gestures that describe things around them or activities they do. These should be important things, such as mommy, daddy, hungry, thirsty, and sleepy. Number 4. Include your baby signs. If your baby has developed his or her own sign, use it while teaching sign language. They might have a strong association with the sign, so use them is the right approach. Number 5. Practice often. Regularly repeating the signs with your baby can help them pick up the gestures quickly. Include a practice session in your daily schedule to make the baby see the signs consistently and understand them successfully. Number 6. Provide positive reinforcement. Praise your baby when they use the right sign. You may smile and use a cheerful tone to praise them. Prompt responses to the sign can also serve as a positive reinforcement. Number 7. Be calm. A baby may take time to learn the signs. It is crucial to keep calm and let them take their time. Don't get angry or frustrated if they make mistakes or forget the gestures. Avoid using any force. It will only derail the progress. Number 8. Keep everyone in the loop. Important members of your family's life should be aware of their sign language. It will help the caretakers adequately fulfill your baby's needs and maintain consistency in communication. Knowing the language can also ensure easy communication with other family members, such as grandparents and siblings. Number 9. Use your face. Making signs along with associated facial expressions could pique the interest of your baby. They are fascinated by our facial expressions, making it easier to attract your baby's attention to the signs. Number 10. Get formal training. Many institutes and hospitals offer formal baby language courses. You may contact them and enroll in a baby sign language class. Several books and videos about baby sign language are also available.